Hello and welcome to yet another video on LabVIEW Advantage. Today we'll be discussing about 7 must-have skills to succeed as LabVIEW developer. If you are looking for a career in NI technology or LabVIEW, these are the must-have 7 skills. So let's begin. Before we begin, there might be lots of confusion that if you do this, you will be successful in your career. But these are the most important things. I had the opportunity to interview lots of candidates who wanted to start a career in LabVIEW or NI technologies, but the most primary fundamental requirement is a candidate must know how engineering concepts works. In this context, for example, electric circuits, signals and systems, communication systems, and so on. Without having solid engineering concepts, even if you want to work as a LabVIEW developer, it's not going to work. The number 6 is you need to understand the fundamentals of instrumentation and embedded systems. As you know, NI technology and LabVIEW is basically used for the system design to develop large automated systems to acquire and monitor, manage the data. So in that case, you need to understand that. The next is on the top of the 6. The same way, it's you need to have the experience with what are the different NI hardwares available, software engineering background or the computer science. They are mostly from mechatronics, electronics, electrical engineering. So people believe that LabVIEW does not require too much of a software engineering, but if you are developing very reliable large application, you need to understand software engineering concepts. And number 3 is the continuation of that. You need to follow the NI recommended guidelines and code reviews so that you are going to invest your time and energy on developing the code that can be reused again and again and benefit your entire application development experience. I stress very much number 2. Once you understand all this, you need to have the certification from National Instruments. National Instruments has got 4 different certifications available to prove your expertise on using LabVIEW. And finally, without the community and getting into the events and community, nobody will know that you have all these skills. So be part of the community, and then NI events like NI Days, NI Week, and then Developer Days, CLD Summit, CLA Summit, and all these kind of things will help you to meet the experts and then the other developers and engineers from the industry who are working in the same domain, and that will provide you more exposure and everything. So just knowing LabVIEW and writing small code, I believe, is not good enough. You need to invest your time on building all these skills. I hope you like this video, and please do not forget to subscribe to this channel for future LabVIEW videos.